just a wee tip to follow Sky. You get this one above you running off. Keep putting the desk backwards.
How we going, guys? I'm out camping with Sky from Swamp Valley. I'll give you a look at his shelter in a minute, but here's Sky. So I'll put a link to
YouTube channel. Go subscribe after this video.
I'll put a link to Sky's channel below. So there's his cool shelter. There's his mate Ross. Ross is... You don't have a YouTube channel, don't you, not Ross? No? He says he's not that bothered.
You should. No, too much work.
Too much work. You've got to enjoy it like me and Sky, haven't you?
Oh yeah.
So there's the shelter. It's a bit. Oh, yeah. I've seen this in a video, right? But see when you actually see it up close, it is cool. Really, not that I'm saying it's not cool in the video, but it looks better when you're here.
I'm a bit sad it's all gone brown, but it's been up for quite a while, and well, I guess that's just the way of things.
Yeah.
I might get some. I need to wait until winter when like some more trees fall down and I can grab the green branches and just shove them in there again.
It's nice it does hide it, because see from the back it looks like a tree's actually fallen.
Yeah.
And you see like a
hidden.
Yeah.
Anybody coming past would be coming past that way. Yeah.
So he's got a tree swing as well. Look. All the things that you need when you're in the woods. What do you need? Tree swing. We've got a little tripod. Got my hanging grill. Look. Little campfire. Got a little bench. Very nice.
The most important thing, Stuart. You got a little whiskey.
Sky's brought the whiskey.
Oh, that's the good stuff.
So if you were here, Colin, you could have drunk some of it.
Too late. It's mine, all mine. Stealing your power.
Like everybody steals it. What was that for?
That's Dutch oven. No, that one's no. What was that one for?
That was just...
Is that just to hang your clothes on?
It was a pot hanger at some point, but I figured...
No, I mean the...
Oh, the rope. Oh, that's for... See when we have big parties? Like New Year's Eve and stuff like that, we'd put up a big tarp that way and a big tarp that way.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And, you know, have a table and... Aye. I'm going to move my camera. Psycho Ross on the go.
Missed. You would make that a mile.
I don't know.
You would clear that.
No, I wouldn't make it. Definitely not.
You don't need that.
Right. Your turn, Stu.
No, I'm not doing it. Definitely not.
Do you know what? I almost actually bailed my face on that stick.
I know, I've seen that.
I think I snapped it. Right, Ross, you give it a go. I gave that a proper go there. That's scary, man. I had visions of landing like flat on my face.
It did just pull the dot pull back into position.
How did it go a bit?
Aye.
At least do what I've done and give it a try.
Mark's like my new bit, so I don't want to land in that bog.
Oh, he's got his new boots. Bless his wee new boots.
see if I make this, you need to put your face in that water.
If you make it all the way past the river.
I make it to the other side.
Yep.
You're going to put your full face in that water.
In the deep bit.
Aye.
Aye.
Deal?
Deal.
Right, wait to empty my phone and shit. Don't want to get halfway across.
You didn't think you'd get quality footage like this, did you? He's not going to make it. So no worries about putting my face.
Let's just see. I want to try and get to there at least. That's some fucking jump, man, isn't it?
Hey, you were the one talking all the smack.
See if it egg you on to date, but you were never serious about clearing that.
I was, until I let go, and then I was like, nope.
Right, I'm no jumping this time, I'm going to swing.
Do a little test run.
Right.
You'll not make it, you're going to land in the river. But it'll be funny anyway.
No.
Right, so I've got some King Alfred cake, cramp balls. It's basically just a really dry fungus. Takes the spark really well and holds it. You can use it for moving a fire if you want to just have an ember for a while. Or you can get a fire going with it. Here we go.
They reckon it burns for like hours and hours, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
As you said, you can transport files.
I've only ever burned it for a wee short time.
Yeah. My friend, he's carried one on a ton for hours. He carried it on a bean ton. He was moving his fire. And that was the... what he used, brine. American brine.
American brine.
So, Sky's going to do the fire tonight.
Well, I was planning on doing hand drill, but the stick that I had for the hand...
We won't mention that stick.
Okay.
There we go, nice little ember. There we go, look. I'm taking over Sky's.
Oh, you go for it. I probably shouldn't have lit the whole thing, but...
We got some straw, some hay.
I'm actually gonna try and crack this. So I'm not using the whole thing. No point in wasting.
I should have brought some birch bark, but that should take that, shouldn't it?
Aye. To be honest, I'm actually being really lazy with this. It's because we were chatting too much. We're just like, oh yeah, let's get a fire going, let's get a fire going.
So there we go. We've got fire,
There we go.
as the song goes.
We've got some fun.
I'm the fire starter, twisted fire starter.
It's all damp wood though. So I brought out some hay. Of course it'll be a laugh if it doesn't burn.
Oh no, it'll burn, yeah.
It's all dry or damp wood though, that's the problem, so it's like trying to get these wee thin sticks. I think we're alright.
So, I don't know if I said in my video, right? Sky's never camped in this, or nobody's camped in this shelter. So, I'm going to camp.
We've stayed up till about 4 in the morning in it.
Does
But we
that
weren't
counts,
sleeping.
doesn't
We
it?
weren't sleeping, we were just drinking and farting.
I'll need to come to one of Sky's winter camps, because he's 4 in the morning, farting and singing, and sounds good, doesn't it? So, I'm going to camp there, or I might go in the... There's a raised bed. See where Ross is.
Hi guys!
Trying to take Ross anywhere.
Ro-
You can, you just
Ro-
need to let a place fuck.
Ross and Sky were just playing on the little swing. There. I do like that. They were trying to jump over there. Right. Look.
That's us sober.
So, well, this is sober at the moment. So there we go, we've got the fire going. Get some cooking. I've got some noodles and some chicken and white sauce. What are you cooking, Sky?
More. I got barbecue, pork loins.
Oh, I could have bring my spit roast with me. I've got one of those little... that sounds quite rude, that, doesn't it?
And you're talking about spit roasted. Just
Sky, I'm sorry mate, but
This is
TheraBand. You buy it on eBay and it comes in big thick strips like this. You cut it down. You can get wee ammo pouches for like, I think you get like 10 for a $5. You just tie them on.
I've got a Black Widow one.
so what?
Sure.
Sky snicked it off me.
What I like about these though is like, these you end up with pretty much a similar power, but they stretch so much further, so it's not as hard to pull back. See the Black Widows? Straight through it. Told you. I told you to go straight through it.
So
Aye, see
I'm actually standing on the bloody range there.
Aye. But yeah, see these, they stretch so much further than a Black Widow, so it's less like pressure to pull it back. Go straight through it. Let's just blast through these then. Hey Ross, see if you can catch this one in your teeth.
Never target, you'll not go straight through that.
Oh, what's that?
The spoon that was in the ground. Too high.
Too high. You had to put it right at the top of the thing, didn't you?
Yeah, well, that's where the rope is, isn't it?
So we're going to hunt some squirrel here.
Aye, something like that.
Did you hear about that prophecy prepper, Sky? That he says he was going to hunt squirrel?
That makes a good sound.
See if we
Hunt
put,
squirrel,
see
Did
if
you
we
hear?
put another
Did you hear about him?
Aye, aye.
Yeah. He's going to hunt squirrel.
See if you put another tarp behind it. I don't think it'll make it through the two.
So Mark, you need to get one of these catapults, right?
Aye.
This is a contender for you, look. I think you should come with Sky and Sky can train you how to catch your squirrels.
I think Sky
It's
needs to do
clearly you
something
weren't that
like
good.
I'm not that good either, I can't hit a spoon.
Nah, Mark didn't catch any.
To be honest, I don't think I'd go for a squirrel. A rabbit maybe. I think a squirrel it's a bit of a waste, because
Human? You try a human.
not much.
How fast can you run?
If I was going to Stuart run.
I'm not that fast. Look at me.
Just above it. Just to clarify, we're not aiming for the big sheet. Ross put a spoon
Yeah.
on the top of the sheet.
Yeah, we're trying to aim for that tree, honestly. Not the big sheet there. That tree in the back there, right? Honestly.
What you want to use is like a bed sheet or something. We thought we'd try a tarp to see if it would catch the BBs but it's useless. It just goes flying straight through them, so no point.
So there's the target, just as Sky takes it down. There was a spoon that was up there. Where did that spoon go?
It totally fell off.
There was a spoon on that
this
tarp.
because what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie the spoon up so that we can actually hit it a bit.
There we go. So that was the spoon. That was the target, right? It was on there like that, right?
Well,
So
I'm trying to do here is have it a bit better set up.
it's just firing straight through.
Yeah, this catcher, you definitely want to use a bed sheet. I was going to bring out my target catcher thing, but in my haste to get ready, I forgot it.
There you go. That's that recording.
Alright.
So I'm going to give it a try, guys. Not used a slingshot for years, right? I was never that good at it. I was probably better with the air guns than the slingshots, but actually, see when I say that, right? My mum's cousin owns a farm in Fenwick, and I went and he thought that I'd never shot an air gun, so he put a can and he says to anybody that can shoot it. So I was there for like 2 minutes and I got the gun. The can exploded and then he was like, that's a waste of time. He thought nobody would shoot the thing. Now after saying that, this is me, slingshot, right? So, what are we aiming for? Just
Well, it's a bit of a wee target. It's that spoon.
that's, where is this? I can't even see it.
It's sort of in the middle of that tarp
Right
to
there.
the left.
I can't even see it. Right. That's actually what I was aiming at, that spot that I hit. Honestly, I was.
To be honest, we could empty this out. Should we have this as a target? That'd be a better target, wouldn't it?
That would make more sense, wouldn't it?
Well, this can when I finish it.
We put this up the trees though. Don't shoot me when I'm over here.
Stuart, that water was to put the fire out with.
Right, I was pointing over there. Put it there.
Oh, that'll be a humtinger.
You'll hear that pinging, won't we?
Aye.
Right, I'll have another shot, one more shot. Right.
Let's just stick that up there too.
Right. I'll get the backwards.
I was going to say, you still realise if you shoot into the pole, there is a chance it might ricochet back.
That makes it more fun.
I'm going to hide behind this tree. Commando
Really?
style.
I'm going to stand down range.
Oh,
Swing and a miss.
Literally, that's the pole. Missed.
Right, step aside, ladies.
I don't think any of us are going to hit this ball. This is how good we are.
The ball?
No, I can hit the ball.
I can't see the fucking ball through the branches. Aye.
One in the mouth, because I'm not confident.
Right, get your votes in, get your votes in!
Right, if I hit this, you need to go subscribe to our channel.
Wobble.
Oh my god.
That hit that tree.
I know that's what I'm saying, mate.
I'm not adding that in there. Well done. Sky did hit that. There's Ross just hit it as well.
See, for this angle it's cheating, Sky.
That's it, we can go turkey hunting now.
Right,
I'm going for the can.
Ooh!
I feel like this is so sketchy. Did I get you hurt?
That skimmed past my hair there, look. That'd have been funny. Oh.
Oh. I just seen something bounce here.
I was going to turn that off there too. Well, at least we've got one back. So, we're going to do a bit of this.
That
Then
seems a bit dangerous.
It's a bit dangerous camping with this swamp valley.
That's the two bolts
What's it you're supposed to shout? Fast?
Oh my god, that hurt me. It came over here.
Hit you?
I know, I felt it skimming past me. Really? My god.
I just knocked the bloody blanket off the tree. That's like beautiful, isn't it? It's like,
It'll be fun until somebody loses an eye.
it's almost fun until someone loses an eye.
I'm sure that hurt me in the back. Or it skimmed past my back anyway.
We are coming right back up.
Ooh. That's a hole in the shelter.
I add to the hundreds.
No, but I was it's aliens. The storm area 51, set them free. And then just at that point I spun back round and just... I've got something to show you.
See what I'm working with, folks?
I've got something to show you.
I'm going to have dinner, guys. Sorry if it's a bit dark. I'm using Sky's head torch. I forgot to bring my light with me. So I'm just going to... Oh, there we go. There's another light. So I'm going to have some bachelor super noodles. Just easy peasy cooking. I can't be bothered cooking tonight. Just make sure that's on. Yep.
Right. You can
I'm
also
gonna-
have some pork loin steak.
I like them. Oh.
Yeah.
See if Eddie's watching.
I'm not gonna eat 4.
If Eddie's watching Scotswell Camper, that's his favourite. But Eddie, they're all mines.
No, they're
Oh, sorry, they're all Sky's.
not the run day.
I'm having this, right? I'm forgetting Sky was there. So, easy peasy, right? I'm going to use the Alp Kit 900ml pot. We'll get that in the fire. We'll get some water going. So, I like this shelter. I'm going to sleep here tonight, guys. And Ross, he's left. He went and set off a bloody firecracker thing. Nearly bust my eardrum. So, if you want to see that, go and check it out in Sky's channel. I didn't record it. But it's quite funny. You'll see it. So, get my water on. I was saying to Sky that this shelter reminds me of like the Tinker's tent. It's quite like the one that Mike just built. Do you reckon he took the idea from Sky? I'm only joking. Only joking.
Oh, that's striking controversy right there.
I'm only joking. I do like watching Mike. He's a nice shelter. So it was a joke. If anybody, please don't
You're feeling
comment.
paranoid now, aren't you?
Please don't go and tell Mike that I said that, right? There we go, my water's on. So, cook my gas. Oh, this is, I'll show Sky's dinner. What's he got? Is that
Wait.
I actually thought that was beef jerky. That is it.
It is.
Mm,
That's not for dinner, that's just for snacking.
beef jerky. We've got some cheese, tomatoes.
You're forgetting one major ingredient, it's the brioche bun. Well, this is...
That's actually, I buy the brioche buns for Ollie. Ollie likes them.
Oh, epic fail. YouTube fail. Hold on a minute.
So there we go. Sky has got the pot steaks on.
Pork loins. Although I'm worried they're going to drip on your pot.
That's fine.
Extra flavour.
Yeah, that's fine. So there we go, my noodles are ready. I'm just going to add in that seasoning, you get the chicken and seasoning. Easy peasy dinner. Sky's cooking the Chinese
Oh, the barbecue.
barbecue, sorry. So there we go, how easy my dinner was. Look, just add the seasoning in. There we go, look, mix it up.
Do you want some biltong or some beef jerky to go with it?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah. So then I'm going to add in the chicken. Easy peasy dinner. Can't be bothered cooking tonight. I've not had this for years. So there we go. Mix it all together. Stick it back on the fire. Let it heat through.
Of course, if you want some smoked apple with cheese to go in your noodles, there's some of that too. I don't know if it would be good or not.
Do you know I've got some sausages that's got cheese in it for tomorrow? Cheese, Welsh cheese. I'm going to have for my breakfast.
Oh, sweet.
Never had cheese in sausages. So there we go, that'll be that ready. I don't want it too hot. Lovely jubbly. Tomatoes in the vine. Nothing but the best.
Of course not.
So there's Sky's drink for tonight. A subscriber sent him that.
Right. Tuck in
Oh.
one. How many do you want?
Oh, that, yeah.
Do you want them more chopped?
Oh no, that'll do. Thank you. So I'm going to tuck into that, guys. Oh yeah, you want to throw it in there?
A whole one? Or
Yeah,
a whole
yeah.
half?
Oh, hold
Curse
on.
black.
Cheers.
The other one?
Well, if you want to give him it, if you don't, then
Oh, I've got
just one will
I've
do.
got 3, I don't need 3.
One up, right, I'll have it then. Thank you. I love tomatoes. These ones look good as well.
Oh yeah.
These from Marks and Spencer's. Sky.
No, I grew these myself.
Did you?
Aye.
My dad used to grow his own tomatoes.
Totally, aye.
They look really
They
nice.
just hide. Aye. I grew them myself.
Are they from Asda? Asda ones?
Yeah, I think so. Aye.
Oh.
I'll do it again. There we go. I can't believe these Christmas lights have been on this shelter since New Year, and they're still doing good. Gotta love home bargains, eh?
Did you get them in Home Bargains, Sky?
This is not a paid or sponsored video.
I like Home Bargains as well.
That's impressive though, honestly, like, especially see out here, they've been in the rain, whatever. It's the same batteries. And they're still working good. We'll see if they last the night. Whiskey is so good. I think that is is the best Scotch whisky I've ever had. And I'm not. You might be thinking, is that the only Scotch whisky you've ever had? But no, I've had a few, and that is super smooth. Let me give it another shout out. That's the stuff.
Sky was given that bottle of whiskey from
And it is amazing.
Andrew. He met Andrew at the Bushcraft show.
Yep. So, you like your single malt?
I like this shirt, I really do.
Go find Andrew.
Sky's making is it a handle you're making from?
Aye, I'm making him a knife handle.
So that was Sky's payment. But we're going to chill.
I think that's a fair trade-off.
We're going to chill round this fire, guys. I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back in the morning. I might cook some breakfast. I've got some lovely sausages to show you. They're made with cheese.
That just sounds rude to me.
Was it Welsh cheese? So
So he's going to show you his sausage and the cheese.
I'll show you my sausage in the morning, guys.
Aye, he's got cheese in his sausage.
That does sound rude when you say it like that. I've got cheesy sausages.
It's going to be amazing.
So I'll bring you back, guys, in the morning. We're just going to be chilling around the fire, enjoying being in the woods. So.
He's acting like it's cold. It's about, was it about 17 degrees or something?
I know I'm doing that. I'm sitting here with a t-shirt on too. I can't believe I've done it, but I know.
Had to call.
You've got me out, Scott. You've ruined my video.
A wee quiet video. I'll not interrupt this one.
So it's midnight, guys. It's about 5 to midnight. We're going to do some, well, I say we, but Sky's going to do some shooting.
Well, doing that, I'm going to try and knock that can down. But I'm semi-drunk right now, so we'll see how it goes.
Oh, you were close.
I snapped a branch. Does that count? There's the.
I can actually see where you're hot.
I'm not trying to hit the pan. I'm trying to hit the can.
You're trying to hit the can, then that will hit the pan.
Oh no! I was hoping if I missed the can, I would hit the pan.
Oh, okay, then.
But turns out alcohol has its disadvantages.
You were pretty good earlier.
Also, I can barely. You know what? I'm just going to aim for the pan. Forget the can. Aim for the pan. See, how come I can hit the pan but I can't hit the can?
Good shot.
Tell you what, man.
Did you hear that? I think there's some kind of goat in this woods or something.
Aye, the goat farted, aye.
Farting goat.
You know what? There's no reason to bring out fucking any kind of tinder or anything like that. Next time, I'm gonna light a stick with a ferro rod and get you to fart on it. I'll have a blazing inferno in no time. I can't hit the can.
You're so close to hitting it.
I should be able to hit it. Under normal circumstances, I can hit a can.
You're not going to give in till you hit this,
I
aren't you?
blame Andrew. I blame Andrew and his single malt whiskey.
That's what it is.
You shouldn't really be shooting at night. How is that not hitting it? Hope you brought toilet paper.
Do you know, I actually did forget about toilet paper.
Oh, you're lucky I brought some. Swamp Valley always prepared.
I see I've got it in my other bag too.
You've got it in your other bag.
I thought me and
Were you planning for a day 2, Pooh?
I thought we were camping 2 nights. Oh, well done.
First try.
There we go. We'll edit that video, right? And we'll add that at the beginning.
That definitely didn't take I don't even know how many shots.
That was a few. Well done.
Right, I'm going back to drinking. That's what I do best.
Cool. So there we go, guys. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go to bed. I've got a little fire next to me. So I've got my down sleeping bag. I'm on top of my green mat that I was given. Very comfy, very thick mat. And I'm on top of a silver piece of Reflectix on my British Army basher next to the fire. So I'll bring you back in the morning, guys. I should be lovely and toasty there, shouldn't I? Morning, guys. It's about 6 o'clock. Let me have a look. 20 past 6. So I think I showed last night where I was next to the fire, didn't I? So that's where I lay last night. In there. Give you a look. I'm sure I showed last night, but just in case if it didn't work in the camera. Down sleeping bag. And I had my green mat. Very comfy, that mat. I've got a video of it if anybody wants to go and see. I'll put a link of the mat below. And I had my Reflectix. And I had my basher below that. Amazing sleep I had on that. First time I've slept on it. Well, sorry, second. I've slept on it in the house. That's a good little bit, that. It's a little divot. Just shape for my body. Really good. So, I'm going to get the fire going. Get some breakfast cooking.
So this is a fat wood handle on my ferro rod, just to give me fuel everywhere I go. Could write a song about that. Everywhere you go, always take the fat wood with you.
I don't think there is a song out there like that, isn't there? Not about the fat wood, about the weather.
Aye. Maybe nicked that from somewhere. Can't be a jumbo ferro rod. I was hoping to get it first strike, but I think this hay is needing a bit more. You know what? Shall I come in and try that again?
Yeah.
Come on, hey.
There we go. That was only like 3.
Is it gonna go?
Yeah, it should so.
Is it? There we go. You know what? I'm not a fan of hay. I usually use birch bark. And this hay's just haze. Sorry, haze. this hay's just not doing it for me.
That worked nicely there, didn't it? Bit of hay, and we've got a bit of fat wood as well.
Alright. And it's also the coals are kind of still warm from last night. It's always nice, isn't it?
So, morning guys, we've got the fire going. I'm having some Welsh cheddar and smoked bacon pork sausages. And as always, they're all mines. So Sky's got some bacon on. So I'll stick them on. I've got some potato scones as well. I was in the shop and I got them reduced. They were down from £1 down to 40 pence. So if Colin's watching, you can't beat the old yellow sticker stuff, can't you not, Colin? So we'll get them going. Do you want some sausages, Sky?
I thought you said they were all yours.
And, oh, shh. I'm still recording.
I'll grab a sausage if you got one spare.
I'm going to share some sausages. Right. Ross is away, so you're missing out, Ross. You don't have a knife, do you? These are in my bag, can I just...
That one's got a fork on it, but aye, if you're...
Let's just open the bag yet.
Aye, no worries.
too lazy to go in my bag. I'll just stick them all on.
Aye, go for it, aye. That's phase one of breakfast.
So there we go, the sausages are ready, guys. I was going to have some, I've got some eggs. I was going to have them, but I won't bother. I've got some potato scones, but I think I'll just have the sausages. So I'm sharing. This is Sky's plate over here. He had some bacon as well, so I'll stick some sausages on. 3 each. So there we go, breakfast time. And I've already packed all my stuff. So give you a little look around the camp where the woods that we're in. It's probably like any other woodland, normal pine woodland I suppose, isn't it? But I really do like that shelter, very cool. So I'm probably going to pack up and head home, guys. So I thank you for watching, and I want to thank Sky, Swamp Valley, for inviting me to his shelter. So I'll put a link to Sky's channel below if you want to check him out. He's got good videos. So thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. So there we go, guys, there's my pack. I'm using the Northern Ireland patrol pack. And the thing in the bottom is my mat. The mat that I was given. And then I've got a tarp in there, and I've got my Dutch Army bivvy.